Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your WordPress site to Bunny.net CDN. It's a really good CDN. It's a lot cheaper than other CDNs like Amazon CloudFront. I do know a guy who serves 20 million impressions per month, and he's paying about 20 bucks per month because it's about a cent per gigabyte of traffic. It'll cache and serve your CSS, JavaScript, images, anything that can be served and cached from a CDN. It's really quite impressive. I recommend it. I do think I have an affiliate link. I'll put that in the description. I don't care if you use it or not. I just put it there because I have it. It's really easy to get connected to WordPress, and this is my website right here that I just set up like yesterday, I think. And we're going to connect it to Bunny.net CDN, and we're going to do that in the back end by using a plugin called W3 Total Cache. I was already using this plugin anyways. It's a very popular plugin to speed up your website. Um, so yeah, let's get started. You'll click on Performance here, and this is your W3 Total Cache plugin, and you'll go to General Settings. Scroll down until you find CDN. Click Enable. Select Bunny CDN from the drop-down. If you've already had W3 Total Cache and you don't see Bunny CDN there, just update your W3 Total Cache plugin and you'll see it. So after you select it, hit Save Settings. After that, go to the CDN submenu item. The default settings here are great. If you need different settings, go ahead, configure them. Um, the only thing you'll need is to have already created a Bunny.net account and to get your API key from there. You can get your API key by going to your account and then click on billing, and then you can click API key right here and copy it from here. I did make this smaller so you guys couldn't see my full API key because I'm going to be using Bunny.net CDN. So just copy your API key from right here, and then over here, click on Authorize. You're on the CDN section, click Authorize, paste your entire API key here, click Next, and then it's going to add a pull zone for you. So what this is the zone that the CDN serves your files from. Um, you could leave this as default, but I have noticed like the only thing that's different is this dash instead of a dot. And I've seen Google complain about it's similar and hackers might be attempting to trick me. So I'll just change this to like Bunny Scott's Dev. The origin URL is going to be the URL of our website. Click apply, and it's going to create the pull zone and configure it for us. So that's really all that you need to do. Now that I've done that, my site is connected, but I do want to show you a few settings that you should change on your CDN pull zone. So we'll go back over to bunny.net, click on CDN. Here's the pull zone it created for us. I'll click on that. I do want to force SSL. There's nothing on my website that should ever be non-SSL, so I'll click force SSL. Over here on pricing and routing, I think I'm just concerned with Europe and North America and mostly English-speaking countries. So other countries will still be able to access my website if I deselect these. They'll just be served content from Europe or North America servers, which is fine. I'm okay with that. So I'll select these two. Delivery cost is 1 cent per gigabyte. Hit confirm. Then over here on caching, I want to enable Smart Cache. What this Smart Cache does is basically anything that can be cacheable is cached. And I've seen good success with this, like greater than 90% cache hit rate. So we'll enable that. And then the origin shield, I want to enable. This takes traffic off of my origin server and basically serves it from the Chicago location. I'll click Chicago. And that's it. Everything is done. If I go back over to my website and purge the caches, I go to the home page here. You can see it loads super fast. I'm hard refreshing. And if I view this image source or open it in a new tab, it's being served from Bunny CDN. So all of my JavaScript, CSS, all of that is now being served from Bunny CDN. So it was super easy to set up. It's fast and it's cheap. Go ahead, try it out yourself. Use the link in the description. If you like it, give this video a like. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be watching. Thanks for watching my video.